Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the demo software for Sentinel ePos Hospitality. It's our new upcoming software which we are launching some point next month in March, hopefully by middle of March. So this is just a brief video to show how the new software look like and what are the features. So this is the dashboard. I'll start from the beginning. So when you load the software, it asks for the password. You can enter the password to log in, and then it's very fast software. It's suitable for any Windows based PC running Windows 7, Windows IoT, or Windows 10, any version later than Windows 7. It's not supported Windows XP or any old version like Windows 95 or Windows Vista. So all the key buttons are on the dashboard. You can change the colors of these buttons. So whatever you like, you can change the button color to red, green, orange, whatever is your requirement. I'll start with the caller ID and with the delivery feature. So as soon as somebody calls you on your landline phone, it will detect the telephone number automatically. And so if somebody calls, it will detect the telephone number here automatically and ask you if it's a delivery order or collection order. So if it's a delivery order, simply press delivery. The number will come up, the number populate here automatically, and then you can search with the postcode. The postcode here is powered by Google Maps. So if you have an internet connection, you can use Google Maps for the postcode. If you don't have an internet connection, then we can give you offline postcode as well. So once you enter the postcode, you press find. It will ask you, once you press the find button, it will ask you the door number, which door number the postcode belong. Uh, you give the door number, for example, number 5, press, and then it will detect the address automatically from Google, and it will also calculate the distance for you. On this stage, if you want to see the directions, you can simply click on direction. It will open the Google map in a browser mode, and it will show you the directions on the map. You can see the direction, the distance, the routes, and everything you can see on the maps as well. For this feature to work, you need obviously internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, then you can see the maps offline, but it will not be Google Maps, it's Microsoft Bing Maps. So this is how it works. Once you've done the direction, you press close. On the bottom list, if you want to blacklist customer, you can blacklist customer. You can blacklist address as well. You can ask customer for the marketing consent for data protection. Then you can do a fixed delivery charges here. You can write notes, customer name, customer street, email, everything here, or you can switch the customer address as well. So once you're ready, you can press save. And then it will bring you to the order page. On the order page, you can make multiple categories on the left hand side. If you got too many categories, you can increase the category area and decrease the product areas, up to you how you want the layout. There's enough room to make up to 15, 16 categories here, and you can put the pictures on these category buttons as well. You can also make the buttons like these tile button with the picture, or if you prefer to use a small button like this category, you can make a small buttons as well. Once you're placing the order, you can increase or decrease the quantity using this plus minus button. You can use this delete button to delete the products. For example, customer don't want to delete it. You can, if the customer change their mind, you can delete the product. You can hold the item. You can add another item. During the order, it will show the order total on the top here. And then the date and time. Once you're happy with the order, you press finish. On the finish screen, it will again show you the order preview and then all the payment methods. You can make the payment methods yourself. So if you're doing Uber Eats or Just Eat or Deliveroo, you can make more payment methods here, up to 16, 17 payment methods yourself. On this stage, if you want to apply any discount, you can press on discount and then you can give the discount in percentage or in amount here as well. So if you want to give discount, for example, 10%, it will automatically give the discount here. And then if customer want future delivery, you can do deliver later. Wanted time, you can change it to, for example, if the customer is asking wanting time, let's say 6:23 p.m., you can do 6:23 p.m. It will tell you the total duration, like it's 2 hours 10 minutes from now. And then if customer is not paying the order, you can do not paid because the delivery order, and it will finish the order. Later, if this customer rings you again on the same day, if they want to add something or if they want to place another order, for example, they call after 3 hours, their number, when they call the same number, their the software will show new order or edit order. So if they want to edit the previous order, it will show edit order. If they are placing a new order, you can see their new order. Also, it will sometime customer rings you to ask where is my order. So on this screen, you can see the order status as well. If the driver is out, it will show the driver name here. And when this order is supposed to deliver, because this is a future order, so showing the time 2 hours 9 minutes from now and order number and everything. So this is how you can take the order and then finish it. For takeaway order, again, it's very simple. When you're taking a takeaway order, you press the order number. You can use this software from dual screen. So if you see the back screen, I can show you the back screen of the distill. So see, when you're taking the order, this is coming on the back screen. So on the back screen, you can run your marketing promotion. You can show date and time. You can show the order details, the total amount of order, and then you can run a ticker here. So this you can change yourself. You can run any ticker on the bottom. On the back screen, and this is the front screen. So on the front screen, you're taking orders. So if you add something else, the total is now 20. If you see the order details, then the back screen is showing the 20 pound total amount now on the back screen. Once you press finish, now on the back screen, if you go and see the back screen, it shows the due amount and total amount on the back screen. Again, if customer, let's say, pay 10 pound cash, if you go on the back screen at this point, you will see that paid cash 10 pound, and then now the due amount is 10 pound, and then customer paid, let's say, 10 pound as a credit card. So 10 credit card. Now if you see the back screen, on the back screen it will show the change and then total payment and then the order number on the bottom right. So you can see the order number and thank you message, so customer know what their order number is. And once after a few seconds, it will come back to the presentation mode and the advertisement mode. So again, taking takeaway order is very easy. If you want to assign delivery to the driver, you can go to assign delivery. It will show all the delivery orders. Like we took this order, you can select any order by just clicking on it and then assign it to, for example, myself. My name is Ahmed, so Asif. At the end of the day, you can go to driver payment and you can see how much Asif owes. So it's showing Asif you owe because the mileage charge is £3. So what it owes, and then you can collect the order. It's showing -3 because the mileage charge is £3. So it you can collect the money from Asif, and then you can see from there as well. So it's everything. You can collect the money and then it will clear the customer account. So if I take another delivery order, let's say I'll dial from different number this time. So I'm calling from a different number. So if I press delivery this time, and then I'll take another address, for example, EN118TH, and then I'll give door number 3 this time, proceed, and then save. This is the delivery order. This time customer says he's gonna pay cash at door, so I'll press cash and then finish the order. Now, when you're making driver, so to make a driver, you can go to manager and then you can go to drivers and you can add a new driver. So when you're making driver, for example, if I'm making a driver name call Dave, you can tick here is on duty and then you can tell them what's the rate of mileage you pay them. So for example, you pay every driver £1 as a delivery fees for a mileage, and then you can set a password 909 and press save. Now this driver is created and it's on duty. So what will happen if you assign this delivery to this driver, for example, Dave, uh, at the end of the day, the software will show you how much he owes you. So if I go back to Dave, see the total order value is automatically showing that £1 is the mileage charge, and then you need to collect £20 from the driver. So if I tick here, it will show here £19 because the total order value is 20, but because you need to pay Dave £1 as the delivery charges, you need to collect £19 from the driver as well. So it's collected now, and now driver doesn't owe you anything. And you can also print this statement for the driver as well. So this software is about 70-80% finished. We're trying to finish it by the mid of March. So takeaway, delivery, and collection is ready. and then we are doing at the moment dine-in, and then there are lots of more features like if you want to add product, it's very easy adding products. So you can go to products, you can add product, you can write the product name and all the price. You can make their sizes like for pizza 7-inch, 9-inch. You can add all the prices, so you can enable the options, and then you can give the size here. For example, 7-inch. Give the 7-inch price, so you can make the sizes here as well, or you can also make the sizes when you're creating a categories, and it's going to be quicker to do with the all product inside the categories as well. I'll make a complete demo once the software is ready, showing you all the features. We are also doing driver tracking, so the software will track what's the current location of the driver, and it tells the shopkeeper how far is the driver from the shop, so he start preparing another order. Also, you can send text messages to the customer. This software is integrated with our online fast food website as well, and you can get an app to see your sales figure and to add or remove the product or change the prices as well. So once it's launched late March, I'll make another video, and then we will explain you in detail what new features we are added and how the software will work. I hope you like this software. Any feedback, please don't hesitate to email me on asif@sentinelepos.co.uk, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp 07948515058. Thank you.